Progress monitoring data collection. When progress monitoring, a method of data collection must be identified. The teacher chooses a method for collecting data that can be managed in the classroom setting and that will provide useful information about the student need. You should consider in your comprehensive planning the big W questions: who, what, where, and when. Examples of data collection methods are curriculum-based measurements, such as oral reading fluency, correct writing sequences, behavior frequency counts, and daily behavior report cards. When selecting a data collection method, the teacher also decides how frequently that data will be collected during intervention progress monitoring. In some cases, the method of data collection being used will dictate monitoring frequency. For example, if homework completion and accuracy is being tracked, the frequency of data collection will be equal to the frequency of homework assignments. In other cases, the level of severity of the student need will dictate monitoring frequency. Students with IEPs are to be progress monitored in alignment with the frequency of monitoring identified within the IEP. For some goal areas, it will be appropriate to progress monitor weekly. For example, if a student receives a special education program daily for basic reading skills, it would be reasonable to progress monitor their skill acquisition weekly. For other goal areas, based on the frequency of the program or service or area of need being addressed, progress monitoring may be frequent but not weekly. For example, if a student receiving speech services 2 times per month, it would be reasonable to progress monitor their skill acquisition during each session, or 2 times per month. The purpose of the monitoring schedule is to allow teachers and providers to see if progress is being made or a change to the instructional plan is necessary. NHA has provided access for all teachers 3 progress monitoring tools: M-Class Dibbles Next, which is recommended for use in grades K through 6, AimsWeb, which is recommended for use in grades K through 8, and Dibbles Next, with recommended use in K through 8. The IEP team will identify any additional progress monitoring tools based on the goals within the IEP. There are several ways in which you can collect data to successfully progress monitor your students on their goals and objectives. Providers utilize anecdotal observation data and documentation of formal and informal measures as determined by the IEP team.